Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the wonderfully weird world of Ludacris and his State Farm commercials. First things first, a quick disclaimer: we're here to uncover the commercials and analyze their impact. But we're not affiliated with either Ludacris or State Farm. Our goal, to count the ads. Ludacris State Farm journey might seem like a on-off cameo, but in fact, he's involved in multiple ads. Let's start simple. Some commercials feature Ludacris alongside other State Farm actors. Like Jake from State Farm, this one's pretty straightforward. He may be the State Farm hoops referee or be featured with other actors. So, what makes these commercials stick? There are several key components: the creative choices around his persona. In some cases, he's a referee. Then there's the humor, playing off his established image, and finally, his ability to connect with the audience. It's all about being relatable. Comparing his album covers with the commercials, Ludacris has carved a unique niche for himself. One where he can seamlessly transition from hip-hop icon to insurance advocate. His adaptability is admirable here. With each commercial comes a deeper understanding of the brand association that State Farm strives for. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of Ludacris and State Farm. This video will be helpful as you navigate your life and business endeavors. Thanks for watching.